And the miracle of YouTube is you can't tell this is really cold coffee. Welcome back, everyone. It is a cold and blustery Central Oregon day. It was advertised to be 50 degrees. However, we're at 37 with like 25-mile-an-hour winds out there. It's nuts. It is full winter mode right now, which is a bit scary because I have a lot of stuff to get done in the next couple of weeks. Part of the reason we're doing this update, I want to give you guys just a thank you for the comments, the questions, and everything. As you can tell, I'm back. We have a camera. I'll talk about it in a second. Fire season is winding down, and I could still get a call to California, but most of the fires, it was absolutely kind of a late get going. We had kind of a slow ramp up, and then it seemed like everything was on fire here in Oregon. So we've been busy. I got back here a week ago and just been trying to get the hunting to-do list, get the property ready for winter. All that sort of stuff needs to be done, as well as work on the bus, which we'll talk about in a second. Starting off, we picked up on B&H Video. It's the used. This is a Panasonic G9. It is in the Micro Four Thirds camera, the mirrorless family, and I'm pretty happy with it. I honestly, there's still some learning curves on it. It is a better quality camera than my GX8. It is not quite to the GH5 level that I really wanted to kind of bring my own journey of videography up to. However, I think the G9's got some legs and I can learn from it as well. Used, this was $600. I think new you can get it about $1,000. When it came out 2 years ago, it was $1,500. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm not spending a lot of money that I don't necessarily need to, but I really enjoy making videos for you guys, and I have a lot of cool products we'll talk about for videos and reviews coming up. So with that, talking about other filming stuff, you guys also know, I realized the last time I talked to you guys, it was a very somber, sort of morbid state. I was not having a good week. I just lost my camera. The drone had crashed, basically dead. I lost the fridge and the bus. Everything seemed to be crashing around me, and it was just not a good time. So we're slowly getting there. Thank you guys for all the comments and, you know, just good thoughts, really, towards my channel. I appreciate it all. For those of you guys that reached out that wanted a PayPal account, I'm just not comfortable taking cash for this sort of thing at this moment. This is just a hobby. So continuing on, DJI Spark is what I had before. I am really looking forward to the Sky Duo 2. It is assembled in the USA, one of the best autonomous drones on the market. I mean, we're talking Skynet Terminator level amazingness. It is very popular right now, and their waiting list is just a mile long. It's also a little bit more than I wanted to spend right now on a drone. I did reach out to them. I don't think my channel's big enough to get some traction because they are just drowning in orders right now. So down the road, that may be a possibility. I love DJI. DJI Spark has treated me well. So I picked up on the used market, B&H Video, just like I did the camera, $240 for a used Spark. I've got all the controllers and batteries. Why not keep that? And we'll talk about it in a second. We've got some trips coming up soon that I didn't want to wait for the Sky Duo. I think it's a better drone for what I do. I'm also almost always the operator of the drone and the vehicle and motorcycle, etc., that I'm trying to film. And the DJI is really set up better for those cinematographers that really need to get that shot that they want to accomplish while they're filming another subject matter. For what I do, I need the autonomous smartness of the Sky Duo 2. So we're going to be looking forward to that way down the road. But for now, I have the ability to make videos and to get a couple drone shots, and that will be treating me just fine for the next couple weeks. If you guys know me in my personal life, I'm trying to get married here shortly in a couple weeks. So not only do I have all the house and the property and winterizing stuff to do, I'm also trying to get a wedding planned and get the bus to the next level. Next level because we're not taking a typical honeymoon, especially with COVID. We're going to take the whole family and go on a big trip. Probably about 7 to 10 days, either through Eastern Oregon, Nevada, Arizona, Utah. We haven't decided yet. Depending on the weather, we're going to head south potentially. So I want to get the bus to the next section. I will do that in a separate video because this one's already going to be longer than I want. So stay tuned for sort of bus update videos on that. Yes, wedding, COVID, we are outdoor people. It's going to be an outdoor wedding. It's very small, intimate. People can socially distance and, you know, appropriately, I think safely have a wedding in this day and age. But if it's 50 degrees and blowing 25 miles an hour, no one's going to be out there anyway. It'll just be us getting married and then going on an amazing trip after that in the bus with the family. So, oh, that's just really cold coffee. So, Moving forward towards the channel, again, a lot of really cool products. One of them I was talking about with the bus is the Great Solar fridge. Did die. I picked up on Amazon, what was it, Prime Day, the Iceco. Iceco is a newer company out there that I've only recently heard of. They've been getting a lot of traction on social media, and I wanted to give them a shot. We picked up the 65-liter dual zone fridge from them, and couldn't be happier. An amazing fridge, 5-year warranty, Danfoss compressor, really quiet, just sips the energy. Very happy with that. But I got to get in the bus, get a few things organized, and go from there. We've got the AC50 solar power generator, little small unit, very similar to Jackery's if you guys are aware of them. They've got some amazing gear and really nicely made little package. There's a couple things I don't like with it. We'll talk about in the review, but I've been very happy with that. And yeah, foldable kayaks from Oru. We've got flashlights, you name it. I've got a lot of really cool stuff coming up for the channel for review. Now, saying that, you guys know that I always like to vet and use my gear extensively. The problem is without having a camera, I'm going to have to rely on, it's just cell phone pictures. The proof of concept that will just have to be your trust in me to test the product to my standards and to deliver a review for you guys that you can appreciate. Those of you that are finding my reviews outside by searching the product, you're just going to have to take my word for it that I used the living crap out of it because I just didn't have the camera to create that B-roll to show you guys how well I used it. So some of the reviews won't be up to my standards, but I need to get them caught up and I need to get them out to you guys before too long. So that's kind of where I'm at, guys. I'm back for now. We could still get a call to California. Our hand crew is down there right now. However, because of the wedding, I'm kind of off the bucket list right now for fire. So I can get that quick trip done. And then whatever happens last year, if you guys remember, I was down in California into mid-November. So life is crazy right now, but staying busy. I hope you guys are well. Thank you for all your love and support. And we will see you down the road, hopefully out in the backcountry. Take care.
Thanks for all the love and support. You guys are amazing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow the adventure on social media, and we'll see you on the road.